of my channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you have been subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is our 20 of my channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Nedbank Cup semi-finals. My brother, how's it?
Sharp, Brand Unja.
Sharp, thanks, man. Your take on the game tonight?
Man, first of all, let's just Tisbuli say Kaizer Chiefs fans, congratulate. It was a tough one.
Yeah.
More especially because we scored first. So it was a tough one. I didn't see this one happening.
Exactly,
And I don't want to lie, this one hurts. Which means our dream for treble now, it dies here at Loftus Versfeld today. With Pirates winning against Marumo Gallants. So now it's confirmed that the final is going to be the two giants of Soweto. So it's a difficult one, my brother. First half, it was just a balanced game for both the sides that were playing. I was just disappointed with Sundowns the way it was playing today. We were failing to combine so many passes like we used to do. I think Obas and Mukwena, they don't click. So I was hoping that the coach was going to start the game with Adams, but he didn't. I don't know why. Second half, we came very well. We were going to Chiefs. Chiefs was nowhere to be found. Just with one mistake, Chiefs capitalized on that. I was hoping that just after that one goal, my wish was to see Matthews coming into the game.
Exactly.
But then, coach introduced him late in the game. So which was something that hurt me the most because he has pace. He's able to make a space for himself and combine with other players. Ribeiro, not the best of him today. I don't know what happened, but we can just say maybe they are tired from the games that they are playing. Like we just came back from Tunisia somewhere this week. So it's a difficult one.
And where do you think went well exactly? Is it only about Adams and maybe Ovas and Mukwena, or maybe is there any other thing?
To be honest, Suarez costed us today. Same thing that he did when we were playing against Pirates. These mistakes are costing us a lot. So not that we hate him, but they need to work with him and teach him some of the things. Seems like he's failing the basics. Because on the ball is good, but defensively he's costing us most of the time. Yes.
Hard luck today. In the final, who are you putting your money in, or maybe are in the fence? On the fence.
I won't put money anywhere, but my wish is to see Kaizer Chiefs winning, because to be honest, Kaizer Chiefs has a lot of fan base all around South Africa. So them winning this cup, it's gonna be something good for the economy.
Beautiful.
So hopefully they will win the game.
Thank you so much, my brother. Hard luck for tonight.
Cheers.
All the best in future.
Thank you.
Hola.